Hi, it's Dr. Chandra from Preferred Medical Group, and I wanted to talk to parents today about the increased incidence of anxiety in children that we have been seeing, especially in the context of the current coronavirus pandemic. So, as a pediatrician, I can tell you personally that over the last week, I have seen lots and lots of kids who are showing symptoms of anxiety. And I'm sure as parents, you're seeing them also. So let's talk about it. Parents are feeling the anxiety due to the uncertainty of what's happening around us, and children are feeling the same. Now, when children feel it, oftentimes they don't have a context for it, they don't have the words for it, and they may not flat out recognize it or come out and tell you, hey, mom, I feel anxious. However, as parents, it's important that we are able to hone in and pick up on those symptoms of anxiety that our kids are showing. And sometimes even parents have a hard time coming to terms with or recognizing or using the word anxiety. So I then use some of the synonyms. Some of the alternative terms to anxiety can be fear or worry. And some of the common symptoms that you can possibly see in your child to recognize that they're dealing with anxiety can be as follows. So, in the younger child, you might notice that the child is becoming more clingy than normal, more cranky than normal, more irritable than normal. Some of the older children, they might just appear as if they're more forgetful or that they're having a hard time with sleep. So, these are some of the key symptoms that we should be on the lookout for. And now, what can we do to help our children? So, a few key points are as follows. First, don't wait for your child to come to you. Get ahead and you be the conversation starter. So open up the conversation and talk to your child about what's happening. Secondly, ask questions. For example, baby, what have you heard about the coronavirus? What do you think about it? What is your fear might happen? Thirdly, when you as a parent are giving information to the child, keep the information simple and useful. Next, it's important to validate the concern of the child. Fifth, tell the child what's being done so that they feel like they are part of the solution and that it's not just fear, but that we are in charge and we can actually do something about it. Next, empower the child to make the healthy choices with you. So take your child and incorporate them into making the decisions around your house. Next, keep yourself informed so you can inform the child with reliable information. And lastly, be compassionate. I hope the parents will be able to utilize these few handy tips to help allay anxiety in the young children. Thank you.